Welcome to Story Adventures with Mrs. T. Today we're going to be reading a first step science book called My Boat by Davies and Wendy Oldfield, with photographs by Fiona Pragoff, published by Gareth Stevens Publishing. Look at all these boats. How many can you see? What colors and shapes are they? My boat is long and red. My boat is flat at one end and pointed at the other end. My boat floats on water. It does not let water in. If I make waves, my boat moves away from me. What will happen if I put some marbles in my boat? If the marbles are all at one end of my boat, it sinks. With marbles at both ends, my boat floats low in the water. If I add too many marbles, Tom is making a paper boat. It floats on the water. What happens when Tom's boat soaks up the water? I'm making clay boats. Do you think they will float? My clay boat has a mast and a sail. When we blow on the sail, my boat moves in the water. I have made a wooden boat. With a drop of dishwashing liquid, my boat moves on its own. Under Polly's wooden boat, there is a keel. It's hard to pull Polly's boat over. If I tip it sideways, it swings back up again. We are having a race with our boats. What types of boats can you make? The end. Thanks for listening.